Welcome to the best picks. The best tabletop TV mount is probably one of the most versatile and convenient ways to enjoy your television, offering a flexible alternative to wall mounts and providing a great solution for renters, those with limited wall space, or anyone who wants the freedom to easily reposition their TV. This video will explore the key features and considerations to help you find the perfect tabletop mount for your needs, ensuring optimal viewing and a hassle-free setup. Number 5. PERLESMITH PSTVS04 TV Stand. It fits 32 to 60-inch TVs and monitors of various brands. This stand securely holds your screen, up to 88 pounds. With 6 height adjustment levels, you can customize your viewing experience for ultimate comfort. Find the ideal height for your needs. It's designed for simple installation. You can have it set up and ready to go in just 15 minutes. The tempered glass base adds a touch of elegance while ensuring stability and safety for your valuable electronics. We're here to help. Our friendly customer service team is ready to assist you with any questions or concerns you may have. It works with Samsung, Sony, LG, and many other popular TV brands. It's the perfect solution for your home entertainment setup. What we like. It offers multiple height settings to suit your viewing preference and fits a wide range of TV sizes. Setting it up is a breeze, taking only 15 minutes. If you need a versatile and user-friendly stand, this is the one for you. What people say. This stand exceeded my expectations. I used it for my 55-inch TV, and it fits perfectly with great stability. The setup was straightforward, clear instructions and all the parts were labeled. I really like the sleek tempered glass base. It adds a touch of style while keeping everything solid and wobble-free. The height adjustment is a nice bonus, and it works well for getting the right viewing angle. Excellent product. Very stable for holding 55 smart TV on table or console top. Easy and quick assembly for straight back TV I have. Took less than 30 minutes to set up with preferred height. Has multiple adjustment settings for different heights. Has convenient locking screws to lock TV into stand bar and avoid falling off bar and no lateral sliding of TV on bar. Has 2 small clips on back side of upright to hide wiring and HDMI cables up to 3 from front view. Nice clean aesthetic look from frontal view. I recently purchased the PERLESMITH Universal TV stand, and I'm thoroughly impressed with its quality and design. The stand is made of durable steel and supports TVs up to 88 pounds, providing me with confidence that my television is securely held. The wide base and anti-slip pads ensure that the stand remains stable, even with larger TVs, and this was a key feature for me. Assembly was quick and straightforward, thanks to the clear instructions, and I had no trouble adjusting the height and mounting brackets to fit my TV perfectly. I also love the built-in cable management system, which helps keep my cords organized and out of sight, and essential for anyone who prefers a clean, clutter-free setup. Number 4. WALI TVS001 TV Stand. This is the WALI TVS001, a universal TV stand designed for easy setup and stability. It's compatible with a wide range of TVs, ensuring a perfect fit for your home. It fits TVs from 22 to 65 inches and supports up to 110 pounds. The mounting holes are adjustable, accommodating various TV sizes and configurations. This stand offers 2 adjustable height settings for optimal viewing. The wide base provides ample space and stability on your furniture. Soft pads on the base protect your furniture from scratches. It's designed to keep your TV secure and prevent accidental slips. Setting it up is a breeze. Simply assemble the base and bracket, then attach the bracket to your TV. A detailed manual and all necessary hardware are included. Your package includes the WALI TV stand, mounting hardware, a user manual, and access to our friendly customer support team. What we like. This stand is incredibly sturdy, supporting TVs up to 110 pounds. It's compatible with a wide variety of TVs and its anti-slip base ensures stability. If you prioritize stability and durability above all else, this is your best bet. Number 3. PERLESMITH PSTVS09 TV Stand. This versatile stand is perfect for TVs from 32 to 60 inches. It's compatible with most major brands and offers easy setup. It fits a wide range of TV sizes and brands, ensuring compatibility with your existing setup. Enjoy the flexibility to use it in any room. Swivel it up to 30 degrees left or right for the perfect viewing angle, no matter where you're sitting. It's ideal for rooms with multiple seating areas. It comes with an easy-to-follow instruction manual and all the necessary hardware. You can set it up quickly and easily without any professional help. The sturdy steel construction and tempered glass base ensure your TV is safe and secure. It can hold TVs weighing up to 88 pounds. It offers 9 different height positions, allowing you to customize the viewing height for optimal comfort. Find the perfect height for your needs. Keep your cables neat and organized with the built-in cable holders. Enjoy a clean and clutter-free look. We're confident in its quality, so it comes with a 5-year warranty. Contact our US-based support team if you have any questions. What we like. Enjoy flexible viewing angles with its smooth swivel functionality and adjust the height to your liking. Its sturdy tempered glass base ensures stability. If you want a versatile and stylish stand with a swivel feature, this is perfect for you. What people say. Instructions are in very clear English with pictures. The stand was relatively easy to put together even for one person, who isn't particularly handy, working alone for most of it, and it looks and feels classy and sturdy. Allowed me to set my brand new 50-inch TV on a base that is only a couple feet wide. The swivel feature is a game changer. It allows me to adjust the viewing angle of my TV effortlessly, ensuring that I can enjoy my favorite shows and movies from any part of the room. The smooth swivel motion is incredibly convenient, providing a customizable viewing experience that traditional stands often lack. Great TV stand, feels high quality, easy to assemble, the glass base looks nice, and it easily holds my 55 TV. The swivel works well, the TV swivels easily but not too easily. And the height is also very adjustable. You can change how high the mount attaches to the base, change how high the brackets attach to the TV, and or change which of the 3 different height slots to use when placing it on the mount. Number 2. ECHOGEAR Universal TV Stand. Tired of a wobbly TV stand? This universal stand provides stability and style for TVs up to 77 inches. It's the perfect solution for a secure and enjoyable viewing experience. Place your large TV exactly where you want it. Its compact design is ideal for smaller spaces or corner placement, maximizing your viewing area. Adjust its height up to 8.5 inches to accommodate your TV and soundbar. It's designed for optimal viewing comfort and sound quality. Rubber pads on the bottom protect your furniture from scratches and keep it firmly in place. Enjoy a wobble-free viewing experience. All necessary hardware is included for easy assembly. Plus, for every stand sold, we plant a tree, showing our commitment to environmental responsibility. Need help? Our expert team is available 7 days a week to assist you with any questions or issues you may encounter. What we like. This stand is designed for larger TVs up to 77 inches and offers height adjustment for optimal viewing. Its wobble-free design ensures a stable viewing experience. If you own a large TV and need a reliable, stable stand, this is the one. What people say. Got the feet. Shipped in heavy-duty box, because they are heavy and heavy-duty feeling. Already I was impressed and happy. Easy to understand instructions and easy to put together. They are made of metal. They are well worth the investment. The TV feels very stable on the stand. It included some vibration-reducing pads for setting our soundbar on top of. I was pleased as I almost purchased these separate. The pads appear to be sorbethane, I am assuming based on smell and texture. Sorbethane is actually pretty expensive and high quality. Great at isolating sound and vibration. Number 1. FITUEYES Universal TV Mount Stand. This versatile stand is perfect for TVs between 27 and 55 inches. It's designed to fit most flat-panel TVs and offers a sturdy, adjustable design. It boasts a universal design, compatible with various VISA mounting hole patterns. This ensures it works with a wide range of TV models. Adjust it to 4 different heights to find the perfect viewing angle and accommodate different TV sizes. It also features integrated cable management to keep things tidy. The thick tempered glass base provides exceptional stability, supporting up to 88 pounds. Non-slip rubber pads enhance its stability further. Setting it up is a breeze. It comes with an easy-to-follow instruction manual and all the necessary hardware. Enjoy a hassle-free installation. We're here to help. If you have any questions or encounter any problems, our friendly customer support team is ready to assist you. What we like. This stand provides multiple height options to customize your viewing experience and is compatible with various TV sizes. The sturdy glass base ensures stability. If you need a simple yet stable and adjustable stand, this is a great option. What people say. Simply the best designed, most precision manufactured TV stand I've ever seen. It's perfect. Best for moderate-sized flat-screen TVs that have the standard 4 screw holes on the back, in a square pattern, but there is a lot of flexibility, and even spacers included for TVs that are not perfectly flat on their rear surface. The illustrations are so excellent that almost no words are necessary. The parts are organized into long plastic bags with many sections, all clearly marked. Many extra parts are included to fit all combinations of TVs. This TV stand is very sturdy, with a solid glass base, and solid metal frame. This pedestal mount is perfect for spaces where you can't or don't want to use the TV mounting feet. The support brackets that mount to the TV have a wide variety of adjustments and come supplied with a variety of hardware and spacers to most installations. The glass pedestal is very thick, but be sure to use the black plastic washers between the metal washer and glass before tightening the 2 screws against the glass surface, and do not over-tighten. Overall, you can't go wrong with this pedestal if you take your time to assemble it correctly. It is a very high-quality kit that will accommodate a wide variety of TV sizes, weights, and mounting heights. Easy to assemble. Doesn't take up too much space. Works well for my old 55 Westinghouse heavy TV. The base is sturdy. The base has enough room between the TV and the base to hold my audio speaker. No frills, no awkward dinosaur legs. Sits firm and steady. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.